America publishes about the advantages of the sixth-generation fighter aircraft. United States, Russia, and China have already presented their fifth-generation aircraft. Undoubtedly, the United States is ahead with its F-22s and F-35s, both in quantity and quality. The first fifth-generation fighters appeared in the United States in 2003 and entered service in 2005. Russia and China are gradually catching up with the States and developing their machines, but some of them are still not fully completed. Despite this, there is already active talk about the next sixth-generation fighter. It is not yet entirely clear what it will be, but already now, experts in the military sphere are giving 6 predictions. What the sixth-generation fighter should be like. Sixth-generation fighter jets and the future of aerial warfare. 1. For promising aircraft, the latest system of onboard radio-electronic equipment will be developed, combining means of communication, electronic ARA and radar. 2. The plane will be a real center for data collection and processing, equipped with a high-performance computer and AI, artificial intelligence, which will make it easier for the pilot to make decisions in the most difficult situations. 3. It is believed that the new generation aircraft will be used wingmen during flight mission, as Su-57 and its wingman S-70 Okonic. The eye on the lead aircraft will control the Slade UAVs. 4. Self-landing on aircraft carrier cruisers will be another feature of the next generation aircraft. Such technologies already exist and need to be improved. 5. Unification of avionics. This measure will simplify repair and maintenance, as well as modernization in the future on a modular basis. If you enjoy content like this, please go ahead and like and subscribe to this video because I appreciate all your support.